So this is the first year that there's ever been a garden here in this spot. It was just a field with grass. So there's a lot of work to be done to get it so that you can make vegetables out of it, because obviously when you have grass it takes quite a bit to turn it into good soil. So what we did is we ripped up the sod with a big ripper with tines, and then we put a bunch of manure from our neighbor. So right now, today, we are getting some manure from our neighbor's place. She's got a whole barn full of horse manure mixed with hay and maybe some cow manure, and it's been rotting for a while. And it's dry, so it's easy to shovel. So we're loading up this trailer with the tractor, and then we gotta unload it by hand because we don't have a manure sprayer, but that's okay because the garden's not that big. So we're gonna try and get a nice blanket of manure over the top of this. Maybe it'll get rained on, and then we're gonna till it all in and work it into the soil, because it's got a lot of good organic matter in it with the hay and then some rotted manure, so it's gonna really help the garden this year. And now the next step is to rotor till it in with a rotor tiller. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna let it get rained on first to soften everything up, and then I'm gonna till it in, and probably have to till it 2 or 3 times to really pulverize the soil. And then we should have a good bed to plant our vegetables in.